Today I will show you an MP3 player for vision impaired people. This is one in a series of helpful aids for my father who is going blind. Please look in the description below this online video for YouTube links to the others.
The hard copy or online book called Hudson at Murtoa Past Links Revealed gives many details of the early settlement at Murtoa in Victoria, Australia. Murtoa was mainly settled by German Lutheran immigrants with surnames like Schultz, Huey, Wagner and Kranz.
It will also cost you about $30 for a plug pack, USB lead and memory stick. In the description below are links to other videos showing devices to help vision impaired people. Please subscribe and ring the bell if you wish to be advised of future videos like this one.